Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this very easy glam look without going full glam. This is just one of those looks that I would normally do if I had like a special event or if I had more time to get ready during the work week. And to me, just one of those looks that I go to when I want to do a little something extra. I love the blue liner. I think it's a nice pop of color, and unless you're super close, you can't tell it's blue. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. Hey guys, so today we're just gonna get ready. I wanted to film and I'm on the struggle bus this morning. So I primed my skin using my Milk Hydro Grip primer, and today I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. The reason why I'm going in with a hydrating one is because I have been doing some chemical exfoliation because I have been breaking out a ton around my chin. I know this can be hormonal, but I feel like it's like under the skin breakouts, and I need something to add some hydration back into this dry skin, because obviously with chemical exfoliation you're going to get some dryness. So I'm going to take my foundation and I'm going to apply it with this Urban Decay brush. Already I feel better. I'm going to take just a tiny bit more. It's not even a full pump, and I'm going to just hit my cheeks. My son is obsessed with my husband right now. He loves us both. It's not like he's a mama's boy or a daddy's boy. Like, he's definitely into both of us. And right now my husband went back to work. He took a little break and I can hear him yelling for him. I can totally see the texture in my skin, and it's just dryness. That's okay. I'm on a mission, guys. I am on a mission to get my skin back on track. For my concealer today, I'm going to be using Shape Tape in Tan. This is one of their old labels. I know that they've switched up their shades, and I don't know what I would be right now. I used to use Tan. Now it's like their descriptions are just, I don't know what to pick. Because I don't know what to pick, I have no desire to even go to the website. I need to just throw something on my lips. I'm going to take this gloss by Maybelline because it's very hydrating. And again, I'm just drying up. I'm going to take a brush and just stipple my concealer in. I always forget how much I like the Fenty foundations. If you haven't tried them, you definitely should. They're very affordable too. I feel like she did a really great job with her line and pricing. For my powder today, I'm going to be using the Flower Set powder by Beauty Bakery. Right here on the tops of my lids where I tend to crease a little bit. As you guys can see, this powder is really fine. I know people have baked with it, but I'm like, how? Because I feel like it's just so fine that it just naturally just locks itself in place. It makes your face and your skin look so flawless though, and like fino, which in Spanish is like fine. Like you would say like tiene su cara fina, which is like she's got a very like fine, delicate face. I don't know. For bronzer today, I'm going to take this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in number 2. I've been using this a ton again. I have been wearing my hair up a ton, and I know it's because it's long and it's looking unhealthy again, so I really need to get a haircut. I just don't know when or where. I'm gonna have to suck it up, which means I'll probably have to start curling it because it's so long and damaged. Alright guys, I'm going to take my MAC 24-hour eyeshadow base, and I'm going to use that all over my lids. We're going to do something really basic. Today I want to do a blue liner, but I think I'm going to do like a navy liner. I don't think I'm going to go like royal blue. I have some meetings today and I want to be fun, but I also want to be cognizant of the fact that I'm in a blue moment. Like, I am feeling blue. So I'm going to take a little bit of my pressed powder by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to use that to set this primer. Honestly, this primer has really surprised me. I haven't used it in a long time, and it pretty much sets itself. This is just out of, I guess, like caution. I'd rather be safe than to end up having like some patchiness, but it really does like set quickly. So I'm going to go into my Artist Couture Supreme Nudes palette, and I'm going to take Nudist, which is this shade here, and I'm just going to take this color and place it in the crease. Oh my gosh, I had a little bit of a scare. I totally forgot that I had started cooking our lunch. Thank God nothing burned. But yes, I walked away, totally forgot about it, so now I have a timer on. I'm going to take Eccentric with this, which is this shade here, and I am going to also apply that into the crease, and then I'm using that to diffuse the edges of Nudist. Even though Eccentric is slightly darker, but it's adding to the blend. I'm going to take Exposed, and I'm going to place that right under the arch and then blend that back, and I'm also using that to blend the edges of the shades I've already placed in the crease. Just softens everything. I think for now I'm going to leave this as is. I'm going to apply my liner and see where that takes me inspiration wise. I'm going to take this Makeup Forever Aqua XL ink liner, and the shade that I have is a matte blue. I don't know what it is. So I'm going to start off by just doing a really thin line. This applicator is very dense, which is nice because it helps blend and distribute the product, but it also makes it really hard for me to apply and film. So I might have to go off camera. My lashes are whack today. I don't know what happened, but they look whack. So we're gonna move on. I'm gonna take Aesthetic, which is this shade here, and using the same brush, I am just going to use this on the outer corner. So in the crease, but just the outer corner. This blue liner though, ooh, it is making me happy. It looks so like navy and velvety. I'm going to take a flat brush, and then I'm going to take Aesthetic, which is the color we just used, and I'm going to lightly smudge this on the lower outer part, just to give me a little bit more definition. So I'm going to take MAC Blunt, and I'm going to use an angled brush and just hit the backs of my cheeks with this. And then bring that up into the temples, just to kind of give me a little bit more contour and definition, because I did not contour my face, I just added bronzer. So I feel like I need to salvage my lashes. Like, it's bothering me. They're stuck together, and I didn't get any volume from my mascara today. It's just skinny, ugly little lashes, which is what I have. Ugh. I'm not having a good day today, guys. I'm like trying to get through this, but I'm just like not having it today. Just got a little bit of mascara, which is no big deal, but right now in my head it's a huge deal. I'm just not in the mood, and I need to snap out of it. I've got things to do. So I'm going to take this cream blush by Fenty. This is in Rose Latte. It is just a really pretty brown rose shade, and I'm going to use it with her brush, which I love. And I'm just going to hit again, the high points of my face and then bring it forward. So I want the bulk of the color to be in the back. So it looks like I have lifted cheeks. But I don't. I still need to do my hair. I'm really digging how simple this is. And I know I have mascara up there. I know. Whew, Lord, help me get through this day. I'm gonna go do my hair, give myself a little break, and then come back and we'll finish the lips. I'm going to take my Fenty How It Do setting spray because I need some hydration. I love this blue liner. All right, guys, for my lips, I'm gonna take Selena Gomez Rare Beauty in Fearless. All right, guys, so here is the final look. As you guys can tell, it's very simple. There really isn't anything that's like incredibly different about this look, but it is more than I normally wear. I do like to keep my makeup very minimal during the week unless I have something special going on. But today I'm just having a really crappy day and I wanted to do something just a little bit extra. So this is a nice way to add some definition to your eyes and call on a feature that maybe you like. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week, and hit that like button because it does help my channel. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me, and let me know down below how you're doing today. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.